If you think your Instagram account has been hacked, here are the steps you can take to regain control. 1. Try to log in. Go to the Instagram login page and try logging in with your username and password. If you can't access it, proceed to the next step. 2. Reset your password. On the login page, click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset your password via your email address, phone number, or Facebook account linked to Instagram. 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Instagram about a login attempt or password change. If you see an email you didn't authorize, you can revert the changes through that email. 4. Secure your email. If your Instagram account is compromised, your email might be too. Change your email password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. 5. Report the hacked account. If you can't regain access, go to the Instagram Help Center and report your account as hacked. Follow the instructions provided. 6. Check for suspicious activity. If you regain access, review your account for any changes such as unauthorized posts or changes to your profile information. 7. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you have access, enable two-factor in your account settings for added security. 8. Review third-party apps. Check any linked apps in your account settings and remove any that seem suspicious or that you don't recognize. If you follow these steps and still can't recover your account, reach out to Instagram support for further assistance.